Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete or change emergency contact or Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you want to disable or you want to completely remove the emergency contact number on your Samsung A54 5G, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings application on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Once opened, scroll down, then click on Safety and Emergency. Once you selected Safety and Emergency, go ahead and click on Emergency Contacts. Then here you should see a list of all the emergency contacts you've added to your emergency list. Now to remove or delete this emergency contact, all you need to do is click on three dots at the top right, select Delete, then select the contact you want to delete, tap Remove. Then click on three dots at the top right again, click on Delete. So if you have multiple emergency contacts you want to delete here, go ahead and click on Check All to select all the emergency contacts and then click on Remove. And then once you hit the Remove button, this is going to delete the emergency contact on your Samsung Galaxy A54 and then you're good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.